Question number 203, please.
Yes, sir, 203.
A statement is laid on the table, House.
सर, जो सवाल मैंने किया था और जो जवाब मंत्री जी ने दिया है वो बिल्कुल फर्क है। मंत्री जी का जवाब है कि डीडीए कोई पॉलिसी नहीं बनाता। सर, दिल्ली का मास्टर प्लान डीडीए बनाता है, उसमें पार्किंग एक फैक्टर है। तो मुझे ये जो जवाब है मेरे ख्याल से आपने देखा नहीं और सीधा आपने यहाँ हाउस में रखा। अब मेरा कहना आपसे ये है कि जो पार्किंग प्लेसेस आपने आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं, तो आज दुनिया में बहुत तरह की पार्किंग फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, अलग अलग तरीके से हैं। छोटे से छोटी जगह में वहाँ 1,000 गाड़ियों की पार्किंग मल्टी स्टोरीड के हिसाब से और लिफ्ट लगाकर भी होती है। तो क्या मैं ये जान सकता हूँ मंत्री जी से कि क्या आपने कोई ऐसी स्टडी कराई है जिसमें अलग अलग तरीके की पार्किंग लेवल दिल्ली में बनाए जा सकती हो या दिल्ली के लिए फ़ायदा होता हो, और अगर कराई है तो उसका क्या स्टेटस है और कौन उसको देख रहा है?
Sir, the honourable member has rightly referred to the new technological parking devices that are available now. In the Master Plan Delhi 2021, we have envisaged multi-level parking lots. We have also envisaged high technology parking sites, and the Delhi's parking policy features have been almost completely incorporated in the Master Plan Delhi 2021. His concern about parking policy is well taken.
सप्लीमेंट्री है जो मेरा इसमें दूसरा पॉइंट है, उसमें कुछ जगह ऐसी आपने आइडेंटिफाई की हैं जहां मल्टी स्टोरीड पार्किंग बनाने वाले हैं और वो मार्केट के बीच में जगह है। जितना कंजेशन इस समय वहां है, जैसे आपने उसमें जवाब दिया है, साउथ एक्सटेंशन है, कमला नगर है, लाजपत नगर है, तो क्या ये नहीं हो सकता कि आप उन पार्किंग स्पॉट्स को उससे मेट्रो स्टेशन के लेवल पे कहीं दूसरी जगह ले जाएं, ताकि वो कंजेशन जो आज है जिसे दूर करने के लिए पार्किंग लॉट्स बना रहे हैं, तो उनको दूर ले जाकर वो लोग मेट्रो से उस स्टेशन तक आए, उस मार्केट तक आए?
Sir, having regard to the need for parking, our organizations, namely DDA, MCD, NDMC, DMRC, are exploring and trying to exhaust all possibilities. The pressure on Delhi's roads is very high, is getting higher with each year. Therefore, his suggestion will be acted upon.
Shri Santosh Bagrodia.
Sir, parking is a big problem in the modern society. We know that number of cars have increased by many-fold. Obviously, a serious action has to be taken. DDA has decided on some sites. It's not the question of some sites. Every colony has this problem. Every byline has this problem. This has to be done in a much bigger way. I will like to know from the Honourable Minister, it's question of not selecting sites. They have to decide on every colony number of sites where either by private people or by public people the parking is a must. Will Honourable Minister take a decision on this, that it has to be done in a much bigger way before the problem becomes still worse?
I agree with the member, sir. There are more than 4 million vehicles in Delhi. 4 million. The number of vehicles in Delhi are more than the number of vehicles in 3 other megapolises: Kolkata, Mumbai, and Chennai put together. Therefore, in the new master plan, we have incorporated many imaginative features. Parking standards have been enhanced in all land use categories. As compared to the Master Plan 2001, these standards have been considerably upgraded so that facilities can be enhanced. In fact, in built-up residential areas also, underground parking below parkings and open space has been permitted. Another facility let me refer to, parking has been allowed in all land use zones except regional park and recreational use. As such, in plot of 1,000 square multi-level parking facilities can be constructed with 100 FAR for commercial use, provided 3 times additional space for parking is provided. That means if people want to build multi-level parking lots, we are giving incentives through permission for commercial use. The limit of number of basements has been removed. In 2001, only 1 basement level could be used. Today, you could go in for any number of basement levels. You could use even stilted space for parking lots, and that will not be counted towards the FAR, whose norms themselves have been liberalized. So on, sir. With all these features, I am sure the parking problem will be more than eased.
Shrimati Jaya Bachchan.
Thank you, sir. So I'd like to ask the Minister through you, when you have allowed these parking places to be built, have you taken into consideration the senior citizens and physically challenged people?
Sir, physically handicapped people will have their own parking facilities. We have instructed all our public authorities to see that in all public buildings there's separate facility for physically challenged persons. As for senior citizens, it's a suggestion. I will have it looked into.
Shrimati Prema Kurayappa.
I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, how many markets are there in Delhi which are facing acute shortage of parking place, and how much money you have allocated for the construction of new parking places?
Sir, I will not be able to give the number offhand. If you direct, sir, I will supply the information to the member. That's a very general question. As for... basically, there is no resource crunch in regard to construction of parking lots. There is land crunch. There is no resource crunch. We shall see to it that all funds are made available for as many parking lots as can be made.